Hello, in today's lecture we will discuss about PTE academic writing section, that is second session in the writing. Firstly, here are some general points that apply to all writing section of PTE academic and will impact your writing score. The grammar used in sentence should be correct. Pronunciation should be on point. Vocabulary should be diverse. Use of same words repeatedly is best avoided. Spelling should be correct. Summarize and essays should have some structure and logical flow to it, especially if more than one sentence. Type your practice answer in MS Word, Outlook, or any other writing software so that basic grammatical or spelling mistake can be identified. Summarize written text should be the first question type in the writing session of the PT academic. What to expect in this session? You are given a passage on screen and need to summarize it using one sentence. You should have 10 minutes to finish this task. There can be two items set from this section. Each passage will be between 200 to 350 words long. How you are scored. 2 provides for good summary of the text, 1 provides for fair summary of the text, and 0 for omit or misrepresents the main aspect of the text. Form 1 is written in one single complete sentence. 0 not written in one single complex sentence. Grammar 2 has a correct grammatical structure, 1 mark for contain grammatical error but with no hindrance to communication. 0 mark has a defective grammatical structure which could hinder communication. Vocabulary for 2 marks has appropriate choice for words, 1 contain lexical errors but with no hindrance to communication. 0 has defective word choice which could hinder communication. Strategy. The idea here is to simplify the text into one grammatically correct sentence. The use of conjugations over here can be employed if suitable. Go through the passage given and understand what is being presented. The summary sentence word count needs to be 50 to 75 words. Anything shorter or longer and you get 0 score. Make sure your grammar and spelling are correct. A general rule is to avoid using any word of spelling you are unsure. The summary made should make sense if viewed in conjunction with any of the other sentence is in the main passage. Second main type portion in the writing of the PT academic is essay. In this you got 20 minutes for the completion of the essay in the writing task of PT academic. In this session you have 20 minutes to write an essay on the topic given. You are judged on how well you develop a position, organize your ideas, present sporting details, and control the elements of standard written English. Your essay should be between 200 to 300 words. There will be usually single essay question in the essay exam. Scoring and strategy for this session. I have been given strategies on each scoring session. You will see the scoring methodology and a strategy for that parameter. Your essay is scored on the following parameters. Content 3 for adequately deals with the promote, 2 deals with the promote but doesn't deal with the one minor aspect, 1 deals with the promote but omits a major aspect or more than one minor aspect, 0 does not deal properly with promote, scan through the promote and understand it clearly. Form 2 marks for length is between 200 to 300 words, 1 length is under 120 to 199 or between 3 101 and 380 words. 0 length. 0 marks for length is less than 120 or more than 380 words. Fairly straightforward instruction. Keep the length between 200 and 30 words. You don't get extra points for just writing 299 words instead of 201. In fact, by ending up at the low end of the 200 to 300 word count means you potentially save time in writing extra content and have time to review and correct for spelling mistakes or grammatical errors. Development structure coherence. 2 marks for show words development and logical structure. 1 marks is for incidentally less well structured and some elements or paragraphs are poorly linked. 0 marks for lack of coherence and mainly consist of list of loose elements. Grammar. 2 marks shows consistent grammatical control of complex language. 1 marks shows a relatively high degree of grammatical control. 0 contains mainly simple structure and several basic mistakes. You want to eliminate any chance of grammatical mistake while writing as an increased error count will have an impact on your score. As recommended, you can practice this by writing your practice essays into Microsoft Word. Vocabulary range also mark for 2 and general linguistic range also mark for 2. Spelling also mark with 2 marks for correct spelling, 1 marks for 1 spelling error, 0 for more than 1 spelling error. These are some sample essays. The following is an example of what a good essay for exam would like be. Topic like team sports are promoted as great way to maintain health and building character. However, violence between sporters and antisocial behavior has often been seen during such events. If sporting events can lead to such behavior, can team sports be good for us? And here the example of essay starting from although and end with the important life skills. Thank you and have a nice day.